Hello and welcome to Atsway Online Classes YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you or explain to you a money spell that is an archangel money spell. Now you all know that there are so many archangels, but normally we call 7 archangels. In this spell also we are going to call 7 archangels, but they all may not be known to you. You can see this sigillium of truth picture of the amulet or the sigil moving around in the center of the video. That is the one thing you need for this you will get in amulet form. So this seal is called the grand seal, or it is called the sigillium of truth. That is the real name for the seal. It's also called the grand seal or the archangel seal. In this seal all the names of the archangels are given there. So you need one amulet of this. The rest of the things you need are very easy. You need 7 candles, 7 gold candles, okay? Or you can keep green candles, doesn't matter. Normally people keep green candles for wealth, but I prefer gold, and I believe gold is more effective because green is actually not the color of money, it is actually the color of health. So gold is the color of money. It is an assumption that green is the color of money. It depends on what you want to believe and what you want to use. It is up to you. Your belief is more important here. So you need 7 of the candles, okay? 1 candle representing 1 archangel. That is why 7 candles. And also because in an altar when we do a spell work, we always need to keep candles in an odd number, especially when you are doing magic like this. If you are doing dark magic, then an even number is also fine. Now the rest of the things you need here is 1 bowl you need to burn the herbs. So you need to powder cinnamon, or you can get powdered cinnamon, you will get in the market. You need powdered patchouli and powdered basil. These 3 herbs you need powder, and you need 1 oil, that is the archangel oil. Now the archangel sigil and the archangel amulet and the archangel oil is available with us. Our store link is given here in the description. You can either go and purchase from there directly, or you can come to me on WhatsApp and ask me for the price of that. Then next you need some sage to cleanse the area, or you can just use agarbatti to cleanse the area before you sit for the spell. Then you need 1 parchment paper. Parchment paper is pure paper, or you like the paper we use for baking. You can get it on Amazon, you can get that. You need 1 gold pen to write your petition, okay? Then you need some matches to light the candles and all. That's all. Now how do you start the spell? First you arrange the 7 candles in 1 circle. Keep little space in between. Arrange the candles in 1 circle. Take the oil and apply on the candles. Apply on the candles from top to bottom, that is towards you. Take each one in your hand and apply. And while you're applying the candles, keep focus on the goal you want to accomplish, like what amount of money. Now this spell can be done for one particular amount of money, or a huge sum of money, or any kind of money which you want for one particular reason. It can be to build a house, it can be to buy a flat, it can be to start a business. Whatever your aim is, for that you can use that money. It can be sometimes some people want huge amount of money to go abroad. For that also you can use. Whatever your wish is for the money to be used for, you can keep that in your mind. That is your goal. Apply the 7 candles with the oil. Once you have done that, keep the oil there. Now you take the herbs, the powdered herbs. Apply the powdered herbs on the candles. Now the candles have oil on them, so when you apply the powdered herbs on the candles, it will stick to the candles, okay? So that you apply all the 7 candles. The rest of the powder, or whatever the powder that is fallen out, take it and put it in the bowl. Then you add the rest of the oil also into the bowl, or little bit, whatever it is, you add little bit oil on the bowl. Now you need to write down your petition, keeping the 7 archangels. I will mention the archangels in the chant. You will know about the archangels in the chant. Keeping the 7 archangels in your mind, hold the amulet on your left hand hold it. If you are a right hander, hold it in your left hand. If you are a left hander, hold it on your right hand. Hold it and you write with your writing hand, you write the petition, what your goal is. Like you can say, I attract financial abundance into my life. You can just write like that, or you can write one particular amount. I attract 10 lakh rupees into my bank. Like that you can write, or you can write the whole story, whatever your condition is, whatever your situation is, why you need the money, for what purpose you need the money. You write the whole thing on the paper. Now you fold the paper towards you, hold it on your hand with the amulet. Okay, now hold it towards your heart and say this chant: Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, Uriel, Selaphiel, Jegudiel, Barakiel, hear my call, bring abundance, wealth and truth to me now. Let your divine light bless this vow. This chant you need to say 7 times. Once you say that, once you complete that, keep it down, light the candles. Now you have to light the candles. Once you light the candles, you wait, meditate for some time, say this chant in your mind or say aloud. At least for 5 minutes you say this chant, holding the amulet and the paper in both your hands. In between your hands you have to hold the amulet and the paper in which your petition is. Hold it like that and fold your hands like how we say for namaste, hold like that, and you say this chant again at least for 5 minutes, or you can say it for 108 times repetition. You can say, that is up to you, whichever way you want you can say. After that you let the candles burn, and you have to light the herbs also in between. I forgot to mention that herbs in the bowl, you have to light that also. Let the candles burn. At least let the candles burn for half an hour. After that you just snuff out the candles with one steel spoon or something. You can snuff it out, or do not blow out the candles, or let the candles burn down completely by themselves. So this is how you do the spell. After this you keep the amulet and the paper petition with you somewhere safe until your goal is manifested. Once your goal is manifested, you can burn the paper. Okay, so this is the Archangel spell for money. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please do like and share the video and subscribe if you have not done till now, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications when I upload the next video. Thank you so much for watching.